Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to ask for permission. We ask for permission when we want to be polite, when we are a visitor, or we are at a hotel or a party or an event or somewhere where we don't feel entitled to do certain things. So there are four ways to ask for permission. There one is extremely polite, which is this one here. Te importa si? It's like, do you mind if? And then the verb you're gonna put afterwards is gonna be conjugated. So let's say, ¿te importa si abro la ventana? It's like, do you mind if I open the window? Um, uh, yeah, you can do this. Te importa si? It's like it's extremely polite. People don't. I mean, some people do it if they want to be extremely polite. Um, so the answer here is no. Para nada. It's like I don't mind, right? No, I don't mind at all. So that's the answer of the person. If the person is also polite, um, or if the person allows us to do so. Okay, so extremely polite, te importa si. Remember, verb conjugated, abro, yo abro la ventana. Yeah. Um, so, yeah, so in English, you put also do you mind doing this? So, yeah, we just put the verb conjugated for the personal pronoun. The second one is still polite. I will say very polite. We have here like could I do something, and then here the verb is going to be in infinitive, which is good. So podría ir al baño? Could I go to the toilet, please? And it's also considered as the may I, because you're asking for permission. So this podría is like the may I, that we use in English to ask for permission. Yeah. Um, and then yeah, you can put any verb in infinitive, like the verb we have here, ir, which is to go. May I go to the toilet, please? Sí, por supuesto. Yes, of course. So por supuesto is like of course. Um, Another one which is not very polite. It's polite still, but it's polite enough, without being very polite. Is just can I? Can I? Puedo, yeah. And then you put the verb in infinitive again. So puedo, and then verb in infinitive. Puedo pagar con tarjeta. It's like, can I pay by card? So you don't say, may I pay by card? No, you don't say that. I mean, you're not asking for permission of something. It's just, can I pay by card? So it's another way to ask for permission, but in an easy going way. Yeah, puedo pagar con tarjeta, puedo ir al baño, can you also say? Yeah. Um, as you can see here, pagar, the verb goes in infinitive, right? Pagar, puedo pagar con tarjeta, can I pay by card? This is the question. Uh, claro que sí, of course, yes. This is like, of course, yes. Yeah, it's another way to answer this. Another way to ask for permission uh, is to say "está bien, sí." This one is also polite enough. It's not extremely polite. It's just polite enough. Yeah, you can use this one. It's like when you say, "Is it okay if I blah 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 blah?" And here we're gonna use the "está bien, sí," and then the verb is gonna be conjugated like in English. Like, is it okay if I go or if I do this or that? Um, so, está bien si subo el volumen. So, yo subo is I turn up. Is we're talking about the volume here. So, is it okay if I turn up the volume? Yeah. So, and yeah, like subo is conjugated. Yo subo, tú subes, él sube. Subir el volumen is to turn it up. Yeah. So that's it. Está bien, sí. And then verb conjugated for the person. Uh, sí, claro. Yes, of course. Claro is also like, of course. So, yeah, here you have four ways to ask for permission, to ask for, in a different politeness level of politeness. It depends on the situation you are, and so you can choose any of these four ways. So how to practice this? So easy. You just have to ask for permission, like as if you were a child. Well, maybe not. Do your Quizlet flashcards. This is really good. Do your notes and writing if writing is good for you to learn, and you're gonna ask others for permission to do anything, to go to the toilet, to open something, to close this, to bring anything. Could be a little bit annoying. I mean, the person at some point is gonna tell you, you know what, it's okay, just do whatever you want, but still annoy them because it's for the sake of your practice. And uh, especially when you are a visitor, so you want to be polite, you want to ask for permission if you can do something or not, or a restaurant or in a hotel, if you can use this or that. So yeah, have fun with this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.